Oh, hello there, and welcome to the Automotive Life. For once, we don't have an M4 on the channel, we have this, a C63S Coupe. And no, it's not an edition one, it just has a very nice color. But this specific car, well, it has bigger wheels for a reason, because this is not a normal C63. Let me tell you a little bit more about this car. So this C63S has a lot of stuff done to it, such as, you know, new so that's why it's quite special. Yeah, so I don't know if you could really hear that because Mr. Brandon decided to make me deaf. So let's jump in the car and talk more about it, shall we?
Let's do it.
Cool.
Oh my goodness. That's insane, man. Oh, dude. Man. My goodness. I have no words. I have no words. Like, this car basically tells M4s, bring it. It's like, you know,
So now the C63 is a very special car in my opinion. Like me personally, I like them more than M4s and pretty much other vehicles in this class. Well, I don't know about the Junior QV. I haven't driven that, so I can't say. What made you choose this car, like instead of an M4 or anything like that?
No, I was very, very close to getting an M3 competition. Test drove it.
Yeah.
Lovely car, lovely car.
Very nice car indeed.
That car already had the full FI exhaust system on catlets.
Good.
It had suspension drop, it had intakes, the whole package.
Yeah.
And then I test drove this. And
Stock though.
stock,
Yeah.
stock. And it's just a different feeling.
It's very different. One thing, in my opinion, how do you feel about those S55 engines? How do they sound? Do you like them?
No, I don't like the sound of them. And the speakers in the car as well, I've told. In the M3 that
or the fake noise that comes in.
makes fake noise.
Yeah.
Is it true?
It is definitely. What's it called? Augmented sound or something like that.
Yeah.
It does come through the speakers. I don't know if they do it in Mercedes also, in newer cars. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Definitely not in these.
I have no idea.
Oh, who knows? Yeah.
But it sounds good. Like in the BM, it sounds a little off.
Yeah.
As it sounds. But I mean, you just open the valves and then you get sound. So
Yeah.
it's so sick.
So that, and I also didn't want to change my Instagram name.
I'll plug it down below. Put it right here.
So yeah, I'm selling the car now.
Mm-hmm.
I actually wanted to sell the car with the mods
Yeah.
because the labor, it's a big job, for
big
downpipes and then to take out the transmission.
Already?
Yeah.
What? That's a big
So
job,
it's a
man.
massive job.
Yes. Okay. So you want to sell it? So you're going to take all the mods out, basically?
I'm taking it all out to Tuesday.
Okay.
I sold the mods already to some other guy.
Oh, lucky.
He's gonna put them in his AMG GTS.
What?
Yeah.
That's going to be...
It's gonna be hectic.
That's going to be fun. Oh
it's gonna
my
be crazy.
goodness. Imagine if he pulls up next to AMG GTR. Hey, that's going to be...
It'll be embarrassing.
That's going to be embarrassing,
Yeah.
frankly. Yeah, that's going to be fun. So, do you want to say why you're selling this car?
Yeah. You know what? It's a very comfortable car.
Mm-hmm.
It's very fun to drive.
I just been in it for 5 minutes and I love it, man. Holy crap.
It's not my daily. It's a weekend car. My racing car for drag racing and so on.
Mm-hmm.
And for what I want to do, it's not. Look, I want something that's quick on a 400 meter sprint
Off the line.
off the line.
This is wrong.
This
for
is
that.
yeah,
This is
it's got
quite
so much
wrong
power
for
now.
that. Yeah, I mean it's fun, but it's not fast off the line. That's
Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, yeah, 0 to 100, I'm still the same.
4.5,
4.1, 4.2. But my 100 to 200, that's quick. That's like 6 seconds. So that's
What?
yeah. The top end's quick.
This probably has a limiter removed also.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you have to.
Yeah.
So it's a little fast.
So, Mr. Brandon says he's tired of living.
In Sport Plus.
I put in comfort. You know, you have to trust me first.
Comfort's boring, man.
Comfort's boring? Well, when you put it like that, okay, that's individual, sport plus. Oh, and the exhaust valves are open now.
Yeah.
Okay, so third gear, let's just roll on. Man, that's so cool.
It wasn't even in power band.
No, it wasn't. It was like, we put it in fourth, if we just, there we go. Now it's picking up. Whoa, damn.
It's a shitty road.
Yeah, I feel it. The tires, they're really crap only. Dude, this is so cool. And we're not gonna have traction, so let me just take it easy. Oh my goodness. I had this car's little brother, the CLA 45. And that car's ride, I say this in every video, I've never felt a car that hard.
You never felt a car? What?
As hard as a CLA 45.
I had an A45.
How hard is that thing?
I had it for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Then I bought the 507 edition.
You must have felt a difference in the gearbox. Because the 7-speed
Yeah.
in the A45 was quite quick also.
Yeah, it was quite quick.
Yeah. And this car's a 9-speed, right?
I'm not sure. I think it's an 8-speed actually. The facelift coming out now is a 9-speed.
That's 9. Oh, this is 7. Showing up to 7.
Is it a 7?
Oh, I like how we have no idea.
Yeah.
Just drive the car, man. Just downshift. That's all we want.
The traction is not even on sport. One day you're losing.
That's why.
That's why you're losing so much power. Go down one more. Go down one more. One more. Push it back.
Oh, this is quick.
Just so you're on the bend, eh? These tires are not trusting.
Yeah. Okay, it feels better with traction in.
I thought it was sport.
No, that's why I was.
Not even in race either.
Oh, okay. Okay, fourth gear. Should I put it third?
Yeah, you can push in power band. You can push it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I had to upshift. That's so much fun, man. That's so much fun. Like with four-wheel drive, when you just let loose, you know you're just gone. You don't
Yeah.
have to worry about
Yeah, you're going.
nothing. Yeah. Like I said, this car is not very stock. Would you like to tell us what you've done to it, sir?
Yeah, so it's pure turbos, stage 1, that's a pure turbo 800s. Then I've got FI catalyst downpipes. I left the AMG performance exhaust, just put the FI catalyst downpipes.
Because you have valves already in the exhaust, right?
Yeah. And then I did armor intake system.
That looks very cool. The carbon fiber.
Looks pretty cool. It sounds pretty cool.
Of that right now. Yeah, it does. Let's play a clip of that right now.
It gives
too.
you about 15 horsepower gain as well.
Really?
Some
Just from
torque.
the intakes?
Yeah.
That's actually a pretty big gain.
The car's breathing better.
Yeah.
And then software by Wolfchip Technic.
We'll shift that. Are we clear? Oh, that's too good.
So I spoke to the guys at DM Turbos. They actually said I can up the boost a bit on the turbo.
You can. What's
Yeah.
running at the moment?
We look. Forgot.
Okay, so this is a 7-speed multi-clutch gearbox. It's fantastic in this car, like really amazing. On power with the MDCT, rear wheel drive, as you know. And numbers, you say 500 kilowatts.
503 kilowatts and 880 newton meter torque.
Yeah. You know, when someone asks you this car, they're like, what numbers does this car have? You just say 503. They're like, oh yeah, 503 horsepower. No. 503 kilowatt things.
So it's pushing at the moment 1.4 bar.
1.4,
Yeah,
okay.
that's only 20 psi.
That's okay.
Pierre Turbo told me you can make more psi and make more power. So,
I mean,
but selling the car, so the new owner can do that.
Yeah.
So how was it?
Can I have it? What a fun car. Thanks so much for letting me drive it.
Oh, no problem, brother.
Oh, really? I don't think I spoke too much. That was too much of fun. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think you get back to the driver's seat, so we can have some. Oh well, we can have a proper driver driving this now. This is the 500 kilowatt C63S Coupe by Wolfchip Technic. Quite nice. I'm back in the passenger seat where I belong. Oh, and let's see how the acceleration of this thing is, shall we? Oh, damn.
Just another.
So that's pretty much the end of the video. Thanks so much to Mr. Kruger.
Thanks, brother.
Coming
Nice
on
to
the
have you
video.
here.
Thanks for letting me come and feel this thing. It's just insane. So that's pretty much it. All of his Instagram details and everything are down below. Make sure to check it out and follow him, show him some love, and stay tuned. You have some exciting cars coming.
Yeah, dude. So I think next car we do another review compared to this,
That'll be
and
interesting.
we'll catch up then again.
Pretty much. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.